Hello, friends. Come with me as I grind our premium non-degerminated stone ground whole corn flour. Stone grinding gently crushes the grain, keeping the natural oils, aroma, and nutrients right where they belong. Every bag of our corn flour starts with careful selection of the corn. Before grinding, we sort through every single kernel by hand, removing any that are cracked, damaged, or discolored. We then inspect the corn under a special light that is designed to show any kernels that may be damaged or show even the slightest trace of mold. Only the clean, sound corn makes it to the grinding. This is the medium ground corn flour that is perfect for ugali. We then label the corn flour, and we must follow the Indiana State Department of Agriculture labeling requirements. We then weigh the corn flour to make sure that we have the right weight for each bag.
So after we weigh the bags, we have to seal all the bags, since sealing is a regulatory requirement of the state, so we have to make sure each bag is properly sealed. Follow By Faith Farms in the next video where we grind degerminated corn flour. Thank you all for all of your support, and make sure to send this to your friends so that they can also get their hands on some of our corn flour and corn products.
Adios, muchachos.